You kept me in the picture at every step, and you always confirmed viewings in writing, which was very important. And I felt it was very, very clear communication, and I always knew where I stood. There was lots and lots of follow-up calls. There was constant communication, and Catherine was always making sure that information was flowing, and that things were happening. That we were going to work towards completion in a very ordered way. I felt the team were very professional. They were really friendly, and they really wanted to make sure that my sale went ahead. They worked hard for me. I felt the photography was excellent. Patrick came out twice to photograph because the weather conditions weren't quite right, but he wanted it to be right. He was extremely professional. And at the end of the process, it sold for more than the original valuation.